Hello boys and girls, how are you? I hope you are doing well and ready to study. Today's theme is rain, rain. Today we will learn some new vocabulary. We will read some facts about rain and do the tasks. Look at the screen. This is Aybar. Tell me, what kind of weather does Aybar like? Listen.
I like sunny weather.
That is right. He likes sunny weather. This is Gulzat. What kind of weather does she like? Yes, she likes rainy day. Boys and girls, it's time to sing a song. Enjoy it. Look at the screen. Remember the words. Boots, boots. Sandals, sandals. Raincoat, raincoat. Umbrella, umbrella. Shorts, shorts. T-shirt, t-shirt. Let's practice. Which of these do you need when it's rainy? Put tick if you need, put cross if you don't. Listen.
I need boots when it's rainy. I don't need sandals. I don't need shorts when it's rainy. I need a raincoat when it's rainy. I need an umbrella. I don't need a t-shirt.
Let's check your answers. Boys and girls, let's do craftwork experiment. Let's find out how much rain does it rain in a week. Let's read. Please follow me. Take a big plastic bottle. Үлкен пластик бөтелкесін аласың. Step 2. Cut the top off about 10 centimeters down and place it on the open end of the bottle. Step 3. Use a marker to put centimeter marks on the side of the bottle. Step 4. Measure how much it rains every day for a week. Let's read some fun facts about rain. Let's read. Please follow me. Rain happens in two ways usually. As a drizzle or a shower. A drizzle is a slow, light rain that can go on for hours. A shower is a fast, heavy rain that lasts just a short while. Әдетте жаңбырдың екі түрі бар. Бірі ақ жауын, екіншісі нөсер жауын. Ақ жауын өте баяу және ұзақтығы 1 сағатқа дейін созылады. Ал нөсер жауын қатты жылдамдықпен қысқа уақыт жауады. Let's continue. Rain contains more than just water. It might contain dirt, dust, insects, grass, or even chemicals. Жаңбыр тамшылары сағатына 7-ден 18 миль жылдамдықпен жерге түседі. Желді күні олар одан да тез жылдамдықпен жерге түсуі мүмкін. Жаңбырдың құрамында су ғана емес, онда кір, шаң, жәндіктер, шөптер, тіпті химиялық заттар болуы мүмкін. Let's do true or false task. Rain happens in 2 ways usually, as a drizzle or a shower. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. A drizzle is fast, heavy rain that lasts just a short while. True or false? Of course, it is false, and the correct sentence is, a drizzle is a slow, light rain that can go on for hours. Raindrops fall at a speed of 7 to 18 miles per hour. Is this sentence true or false? That is true. Let's do the next task. Look at the picture, read the sentence, and complete it. 1. It is a sunny or rainy or windy day. Please choose the correct answer. It is a sunny day. Very good. Let's read the second sentence. 2. There are 2, 3, or 4 children in the sea. There are 3 children in the sea. That is right. 3. The girl is wearing a raincoat or a swimming suit or boots. Look at the girl and find. The correct answer is B. The girl is wearing swimming suit. Look at the picture. 3 boys are playing with a ball, an umbrella, or a dolphin. Let's check your answer. 3 boys are playing with dolphin. 5. 2 boys are playing with sand, a ball, or cards. 2 boys are playing with sand. That is correct. Boys and girls, you did a great job. Today, we have learned new vocabulary, read some fun facts about rain, and done the tasks. The lesson is over. Goodbye, children. Have a great day today.